channel. Today's episode, we're going to try a little bit from Patrick Starr's collection. Patrick, congratulations, my darling. He follows me on Instagram and we message each other every once in a while. I think that he's absolutely wonderful and I'm in absolute awe at his tremendous success because I followed him right from the very beginning. Patrick Starrr collaborated with MAC last year and he came out with his collection at the very later part of last year. He came out with lipsticks, 3 lipsticks actually. He came out with 3 lip glosses, 3 lip pencils, 2 eyeshadow quads, as well as the infamous setting powder. Congratulations. MAC released the collection in the USA and it took a while before it came to the UK and it was constantly sold out. Finally, I was able to get one of the eyeshadow quads, and that's what we're going to have a makeup tutorial about today. Of course, we're going to talk about it as well. I tried so very hard to get the setting powder, but I couldn't get it, and I said to myself, Self, don't worry about it. Why don't you do a makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow quad, and if you get the setting powder further down, we can try it out with other new makeup. And I say new makeup because also I am wearing Fenty Beauty's lipstick. As a matter of fact, I mixed the two. This is the final look, but of course we're going to have the tutorial, which you're going to see further down. And the 2 lipsticks from Fenty Beauty that I got was Saucy and Spanked. I mixed the 2 together and I went ahead and I used this beautiful gold color right here on top of the lip for that extra power. I always do those strong, bold eyeshadow combinations, but I know that not all of you are comfortable going that bold. So I wanted to do something a little bit more subdued. Again, this palette was perfect for it because I felt that, you know what, you guys can wear this and it would work for you. I use all 4 colors for this look and nothing else because I wanted you guys to try it out for yourselves as well. All right, I see there's a little plastic case. Going to take that off, and there you have Patrick Starrr all in glitter because he's so show busy like that. He's very into Broadway. He grew up loving Broadway, and when they had their launch party, you know, he had this wonderful performance that he did for all of the invitees. So about this palette, it retails for £25, I tell you that, and I believe that it is still available, that and the other cord. This cord, let me tell you the colors. It says soft brown. I'm thinking that it would be this one. Then you have amber lights, and that's what I put on my lid space. Swiss chocolate was what I used as my transition. Soft brown was my second transition. I use amber lights on the lid, and then I'm into it, and I think I put that onto the brow bone, and I came back in with the amber lights and just put it at the highest point of my brow in my tear duct for that extra power. And that was how I used the entire cord. Patrick, I think, is coming out with yet a couple more collections in 2018 in collaboration with MAC. So hopefully I'll be luckier next time and I'll get more from the collection. To be very honest, I was excited about the shadows. The lips, the lip glosses. I think he has one lipstick called Mama Starr. I love Mama Starr so much. Hello, Mama Starr. Hello, Patrick. I was so excited about the collection, but more than anything, I was excited about the eyeshadows because I feel that the eyeshadows are the one where women of color think, can we wear that? Will that work for us? Whereas the lips, the lip glosses, they're kind of neutral, they're wonderful, and you have those kind of colors already. I do anyway. So I really wanted the shadows. As for the powder, if I get it further down, I'll try it out for you guys. So let us have a couple of swatches, yes, because there's only 4 right here, so I'm going to do them on my hand, yeah? Okay, dokie. So let me go with the lightest. So this is Swiss chocolate. That's the lightest, yeah? Then we're going to go in with a soft brown, and this is soft brown. Then we're going to go in with amber lights. Ooh, yummy, very vibrant. And that is the only shimmer in the quad, yeah? The rest are mattes. And then we're going to go in with the final shade, and that is I'm Into It. Voila. So those are the 4 colors right there. So the top one is Swiss chocolate, soft brown, amber lights, I'm Into It. And then I'm going to swatch for you Fenty Beauty's lipstick, and this one is called Spanked. Yeah. So this is Spanked, and then we're going to go in with Saucy. You see how poppy that is? And while I'm on this subject, because a couple of you asked, you wanted to know whether Juvia's Place, the liquid lipstick soil, was close to Saucy. I'm going to do that for you right now. Hold on. So this is soil from Juvia's Place. You'll see my episode on the entire festival collection below. So this is soil, and there you go. So you see they are completely different colors. Sorry, it's a bit messy because I swatched on both hands, and I am right-handed, not left-handed. So darlings, those are the swatches. We're going to go into the makeup tutorial, and then we're going to round up and find out if Patrick Starr's collection in collaboration with MAC, the eyeshadow quad, is FDV approved or not. See you soon. So I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial, and now we're just going to go through everything and find out what we think about this palette quad. I tell you, all the colors popped. I did not use any other eyeshadow or any other palette. I just stuck with this because I wanted to stay true and authentic to the palette so that you guys would decide for yourselves whether this was for you or not. Most especially because I am of a deeper complexion. The colors were very pigmented. I was very impressed. They did not draw. The blendability was lovely. MAC eyeshadows traditionally, they're very good, and was no exception here. I felt that the four colors that were chosen, wonderful, because you do need a transition and you can wear that on its own. You want a deeper color just to really offset the eyes. You want like a shimmer on your mobile lid, just to have that little flicker, and that can transition into the evening when you're going out right from work. You just have this, pop it out, put it on, you're good to go. And of course you have that brow bone highlight. I felt it was very, very dark girl friendly. It worked for me. I like quads. I like quads when I can use all. Very seldom that I will find a quad and I can use all four. Patrick Starrr, congratulations. This is a wonderful palette. I didn't try anything else in the collection because they don't have a standalone display here in England, not that I have seen anyway, of Patrick's collection. Had that been the case, I would have tried them out for you guys and I would have swatched them for you on my Insta stories. But I just took the bait and I decided to go with this. So, Ula, my darling, it is FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Oh, congratulations, Patrick. I am so happy for you. I am so proud of you. You inspire us. Like you often said, makeup has no size. Be open-minded and the world will open up even more to you. When you open up, then everything opens up. I adore you so very much. Congratulations on this collection. I love this quote. It's so chocolate girl friendly. I'm impressed. I really am impressed. Oh, and another thing. I know some of you will say, oh, Fumi, you always approve a lot of the products. Not always, but I like to stay positive and I don't get all the PR. I buy stuff for me as well. And I try to make sure that the stuff I buy with my coins, with Ula's coins, I'm going to enjoy it. And more often than not, I'm always right, and that is why it's approved. But you guys let me know if you want me to do an episode on products that I don't like, that are not FDV approved. I will do that for you. Not a problem. As for the Fenty Beauty lipsticks, the ones that I have, Spanked and Saucy, they are FDV approved. They're very soft and they blend in. And it's very tricky to have like a mauve lipstick and an orange lipstick and blend it together and it comes out like this. I love it. All right, enough talking. I'll see you soon. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah.